Hi there everyone and welcome back to BRM Driving School. So first off, apologies for not posting in the last couple of weeks. I have just moved, so as you can see with this mess all around me, this is all the moving stuff, but oh well, worst of it's over now. So video that I'm doing today is a scam that's going around at the moment, and this is coming from instructors rather than from like online services, and that's to do with these start on Monday, pass on Friday courses. That there are some schools out there doing that at the moment, and I just want to help you avoid this scam. So what it is if you ring up the instructor and you want to do one of these courses, they'll tell you, yes, I've got a test, I've got one for this Friday, we can do it. If you start learning, we'll get you passed. So currently, because of what's happened with this whole COVID situation, the DVSA cancelled like all the tests at the end of March, April, so on, and they are prioritising those that had tests booked but were cancelled. If you were someone who did not have a test booked during this time, you are not currently able to book a driving test. So if you see an instructor promising this, it's fake, it's not true. They're just going to do these lessons, grab your money, and then turn around and say, actually you can't do your test on Friday. So just be aware of this. You don't want you being disappointed spending however much money it is doing a 30 or a 40-hour course thinking you're going to get your test on Friday and then it's not going ahead. So do be aware of what's happening with that, because as I said, if you didn't have a test booked in March or April, May, you cannot book your driving test at the moment. When can everyone else book their driving tests? The answer is don't know. They are currently trying to get through a backlog. I think they said it was something around 210,000 driving tests, and they said the other day they're around about a third through that currently, getting those people booked in. They haven't even, they're only booked in, they haven't done their tests yet. So so yeah, if you see online any adverts for an instructor saying start Monday, pass Friday, it's fake. Don't fall for it. They might try and say it's appeared on gov.uk. It's very badly worded, where it's saying your school can book the driving test for you. That is not the case for the learner test. If you read it quite carefully, it says car with trailer test. If you're doing a car with trailer test, your school books it in, but not for the learner test. Driving schools cannot book in any learner tests. So hopefully this short video has been quite helpful to you. Hopefully now that I'm just starting to settle into the new place, I can start uploading a few more videos. And if you want a lesson with me, I am still taking bookings, so I'll leave a link to my Facebook page down below. Send me a message on there and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. And wish you all the best, and I'll see you all next time.